Hello students. Today we are going to study Science and Technology part first. In this video we are studied about important questions with answers in chapter 9 carbon compounds. First question, fill in the blanks and rewrite the completed statements. The organic compounds having double or triple bonds in them are termed as dash. The organic compounds having double or triple bond in them are termed as unsaturated hydrocarbons. जर सिंगल बॉन्ड असेल तर तो सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन असतो आणि डबल किंवा ट्रिपल बॉन्ड असेल तर तो अनसॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन असतो. द जनरल फॉर्म्युला ऑफ अल्केन इज डॅश. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The compounds of homologous series have the same dash. The compounds of homologous series have the same functional group. तर homologous series मध्ये जी कंपाउंड्स असतात त्यांचा फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम असतो. A double bond is formed between carbon atoms by dash pairs of electrons. A double bond is formed between carbon atoms by two pairs of electrons. Single pair असेल तर single bond असतो, two pairs असतील तर double bond असतो, three pairs असतील तर triple bond असतो. The compounds having different structural formulae having the same molecular formula is called dash. The compounds having different structural formulae having the same molecular formula is called structural isomerism. The functional group of ether is dash. The functional group of ether is O. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. अल्केन पेक्षा अल्किन मध्ये 2 हायड्रोजन कमी असतात. अल्किनचा जनरल फॉर्म्युला आपण काय पाहिला, CnH2n plus 2. तर अल्केनपेक्षा अल्किनमध्ये 2 हायड्रोजन कमी असल्यामुळे हा +2 निघून जातो आणि CnH2n हा अल्किनचा जनरल फॉर्म्युला आहे. द बॉन्ड बिटवीन टू ॲटम्स ऑफ नायट्रोजन इज डॅश बॉन्ड. द बॉन्ड बिटवीन टू ॲटम्स ऑफ नायट्रोजन इज ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. Benzene ring is made up of dash carbon atoms. Benzene ring is made up of 6 carbon atoms. तर बेन्झीनचं फॉर्म्युला काय आहे, C6H6. त्यामुळे बेन्झीनमध्ये एकाड एक काय होतो, डबल बॉन्ड येतो आणि 6 कार्बन ॲटम्सची रिंग तयार होते. ड्यू टू डॅश व्हेजिटेबल ऑइल इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू वनस्पती घी. Due to hydrogenation, vegetable oil is converted into vanaspati ghee. Dash control the heredity at molecular level. Nucleic acids control the heredity at molecular level. The regular repetition of a small unit is called dash. The regular repetition of a small unit is called polymer. The monomers of proteins are dash. The monomers of proteins are alpha amino acids. The monomer of cellulose is dash. The monomer of cellulose is glucose. Dash have sweet odor. Esters have sweet odor. Question number 2. Rewrite the following statements by selecting the correct options. Means multiple choice questions. The property of direct bonding between atoms of the same element to form a chain is called dash. The property of direct bonding between atoms of the same element to form a chain is called catenation. The molecular weight of two adjacent members in homologous series of alkane differ by dash units, 14 units. The consecutive members of a homologous series differ by dash group, CH2 group. Dash is used to prepare carbon black. Methane is used to prepare a carbon black. Dash the general formula of alkene. CnH twice N is the general formula of alkene. The act of methane with chlorine in the presence of sunlight is called dash. The act of methane with chlorine in presence of sunlight is called a substitution reaction. The general formula of alkyne is CnH twice N minus 2. तर अल्केनचा जनरल फॉर्म्युला CnH twice N प्लस 2. अल्केनपेक्षा अल्किनमध्ये 2 हायड्रोजन कमी असतात, त्यामुळे अल्किनचा फॉर्म्युला CnH twice N आणि अल्किनपेक्षा पुन्हा अल्काईनमध्ये 2 हायड्रोजन कमी असतात, त्यामुळे अल्काईनचा जनरल फॉर्म्युला CnH twice N minus 2. तर हे फॉर्म्युले लक्षात ठेवले तर अल्केन, अल्किन आणि अल्काईनची होमोलोगस सिरीज किंवा सर्व कंपाऊंड्स आपल्याला मिळतात. द मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला फॉर इथिन इज C2H4. इथिलीन हॅज dash bond between two carbon atoms. Ethylene has a double bond between two carbon atoms. इथिलीन हे अल्किन आहे आणि अल्किनमध्ये डबल बॉन्ड असतो. The saturated hydrocarbons are those in which carbon atoms are linked by dash. तर सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन्समध्ये कार्बन ॲटम्स सिंगल बॉन्डने लिंक झालेले असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मिथेन. इट्स द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला ऑफ methane. These are linked by single bond. C7H16 is dash. C7H16 is a heptane. The possible isomers for C5H12 are dash. The possible isomers for C5H12. C5H12 is a pentane. The possible isomers for pentane are 3. Oxygen molecule has dash bond between two oxygen atoms. Oxygen molecule has a double bond between two oxygen atoms. Some acetic acid is treated with sodium bicarbonate. NaSCO3 means sodium bicarbonate. The resulting solution will be dash. Acetic acid is treated with sodium bicarbonate. The resulting solution will be colorless. Ethanoic acid has a dash odor. Ethanoic acid has a vinegar like odor. Acetic acid dash. Acetic acid has a pungent odor. When acetic acid reacts with sodium metal, dash gas is liberated. Acetic acid reacts with sodium metal, hydrogen gas is liberated. The molecular formula of acetic acid means ethanoic acid is dash. The molecular formula of acetic acid or ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. When sodium bicarbonate solution is added to dilute acetic acid dash, a gas is evolved. Sodium bicarbonate जर dilute acetic acid मध्ये टाकला तर काय होतो? गॅस evolve होतो. Question number 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. If a statement is false, correct it and rewrite it. Generally, the melting and boiling points of carbon compounds are high. Statement is false. Generally the melting and boiling points of carbon compounds are low. Till now, the number of known carbon compounds is about 10 million. Statement is true. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are less reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. False. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive than saturated hydrocarbons. तर unsaturated hydrocarbons हे more reactive असतात आणि saturated hydrocarbons less reactive असतात. Benzene is an aromatic compound. True. The carbon-carbon double and triple bonds are also recognized as functional group. True. The general formula of alkyne is CnH twice N. False. The general formula of alkyne is CnH twice N minus 2. तर हा जनरल फॉर्म्युला अल्किनचा आहे. नॅफ्थॅलिन बर्न्स विथ अ येलो फ्लेम. ट्रू. When vegetable oil and tincture iodine react, the color of iodine does not change. False. When vegetable oil and tincture iodine react, the color of iodine changes. Saturated fats are healthy. False. Saturated fats are harmful to health. Aqueous solution of ethanol is found to be neutral. True. Denatured ethanol is used as industrial solvent. True. तर इंडस्ट्रियल सॉल्वंट म्हणून डिनेचर्ड इथेनॉलचा उपयोग केला जातो. Vinegar is a 12 to 15% aqueous solution of acetic acid. False. Vinegar is 5 to 8% aqueous solution of acetic acid. The functional group of ethanoic acid is a carboxylic group. True. Sodium hydroxide is used in the preparation of soap from fats and oils. True. Rubber is a man-made macromolecule. False. Rubber is a natural macromolecule. तर रबर हा नॅचरल मॅक्रोमॉलिक्यूल आहे. पॉलिव्हिनिल क्लोराइड इज यूज्ड इन द मॅन्युफॅक्चर ऑफ PVC पाईप्स अँड बॅग्स. ट्रू. पॉलिइथिलीन इज अ होमोपॉलिमर. ट्रू. द केमिकल बॉन्ड्स इन कार्बन कंपाउंड्स डू नॉट प्रोड्यूस आयन्स. ट्रू. फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट. प्रोपेन, मिथेन, इथीन, पेंटेन. Ethene is odd, others are saturated hydrocarbons and ethene is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Methane, butane, benzene, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is odd, others are organic compounds and sodium chloride is ionic compound. C2H2, C3H8, C2S6, CH4. Odd is C2H2, others are saturated hydrocarbons and C2H2 is unsaturated hydrocarbon. C2H4, C4H10, C3H8, CH4. Odd is C2H4, others are saturated hydrocarbons and C2H4 is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Polyethylene, polysaccharide, polystyrene, polypropylene. Odd is polysaccharide, others are man-made polymers. NH2, COOH, SO4, Br. Odd is SO4 means sulfate, others are functional groups. Methane, ethane, propene, propane, butane. Odd is propene, others are members of homologous series of alkanes and propene is a alkene. Question number 5. Define. First, alkane. In hydrocarbon, the 4 valencies of carbon atom are satisfied only by the single bonds. Such compounds are called alkane. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. These are alkanes. Alkene. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bond are called alkene. Example, ethene, propene, butene, pentene and so on. Alkyne. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. For example, ethine. Addition reaction. When a carbon compound combines with another compound to form a product that contains all the atoms in both the reactants, it is called an addition reaction. Substitution reaction. The reaction in which the place of one type of atom or group in a reactant is taken by another atom or group of atoms is called substitution reaction. Esterification. A carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol in presence of an acid. As a catalyst, an ester is formed. The reaction is known as esterification. Saponification. When an ester reacts with the alkali, that is sodium hydroxide, the corresponding alcohol and sodium salt of carboxylic acid are obtained. This reaction is called saponification reaction. It is used in the preparation of soap. Polymerization. The reaction by which monomer molecules are converted into a polymer is called polymerization. Question number 6. Name the following. The higher homologue of hexane. The higher homologue of hexane is keptane. The number of double bonds in benzene 3. The functional group in ether and halogen. Functional group of ether is O and halogen chlorine, bromine, iodine Cl, Br, I. Polymer of tetrafluoroethylene Teflon. The monomer of polysaccharide glucose. The polymer of nucleotide DNA or RNA. The monomer of rubber isoprene. 2 oxidizing compounds. Potassium permanganate and potassium dichromate are 2 oxidizing compounds. IUPAC name of sodium acetate is sodium ethanoate. The main component of natural gas, methane. 2 isomers of butane are N-butane and I-butane. A nomenclature system based on the structure of the compounds and it was accepted all over the world is IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Question number 7. Answer the following question in one sentence each. State the atomic number and electronic configuration of carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and the electronic configuration of carbon is 2, 4. States number of electrons in the outermost orbit of carbon and valency of carbon. 4 electrons are present in the outermost orbit of carbon and their valency of carbon is also 4. What are hydrocarbons? Give one example. The compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. These compounds are known as organic compounds. For example, methane, ethane and so on. What is the molecular formula of methane? The molecular formula of methane is CH4. State the general formula of alkane. The general formula of alkane is CnH twice N plus 2. Give 2 examples of alkanes. Methane CH4, ethane C2H6. Give 2 examples of alkenes. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2 and propene CH3CH double bond CH2. These are alkenes. Give 2 examples of alkynes. Ethylene, propyne are the examples of alkynes. Write the molecular formula of ethane. Molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. What is meant by catenation power? Carbon has a unique ability to form strong covalent bonds with other carbon atoms. This results in formation of big molecules. This property of carbon is called catenation power. Which of the following hydrocarbons undergo addition reactions? Here hydrocarbons are given: C2H6, C3H8, C2H4 and C3H6. C2H4 ethene and C3H6 propene undergo addition reaction. How many covalent bonds are there in a molecule of cyclohexane? A molecule of cyclohexane contains 18 covalent bonds. Give the IUPAC name for CH3COOH. The IUPAC name of CH3COOH is ethanoic acid. What is meant by denatured alcohol? Ethanol is the important commercial solvent. To prevent the misuse of this solvent, it is mixed with the poisonous methanol. Such ethanol is called denatured spirit or denatured alcohol. What is meant by glacial acetic acid? The melting point of pure acetic acid is 17 degrees Celsius. Therefore, during winter in cold countries, acetic acid freezes at room temperature itself and looks like ice. Therefore, it is named as glacial acetic acid. Do like and share this video. Thank you.